Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is a quick video of how to install shelves on the wall in your kitchen. So if you don't have enough storage area to put things like these, for example, you can install 2 shelves or 1 or 3, whichever amount you want, and straight on the wall there. So for this video, we're gonna get this piece of board. As you can see, I've already done the measurements. But you do the measurements there and you decide where you're gonna cut it from, and you do the hinges on the wall, and then this should be able to slide right in and to put extra stuff that are laying around the kitchen, like these things here, for example. But before we do that, can I just ask everybody to please subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, share the video with family and friends, because you'll be surprised that my videos get viewed so many times, but nobody actually really subscribes to the video after watching it. So it would be a great help and support if you did so. Without further ado, we'll just get to work and show you how this is done. So guys, in order to cut this piece of board, I'm just going to use this tin of paint for my balance. I'm going to put it on top there. And also I'm going to be using this saw, which is very handy, but be careful with your fingers at all times. So I've got the measurements ready, and we'll just cut right through them. There you have it, guys. 2 pieces of boards, one on top of the other, and you're going to have 2 shelves. So for this, we're going to use these hinges. What I'm going to do is going to hold the hinges right there, and then I will just do the markings. For this one, I've already done it, just like so, and then you're going to drill through these holes, and then these will be able to hold the shelves up. So with the drill, what you do, you aim at the measure where you've done the markings. Just like so. There you go, guys. One hinge there, and then the other one will go there as well. When you've done the holes on the wall for the hinges, you're also going to do the markings on the actual shelf. So first of all, I would advise to drill the holes through the shelf and attach these on here first, and then you grab this and you attach it to the wall afterwards. There you have it, guys. Hinges are secured and ready to go on the wall like so. So guys, we're gonna need these to, after you drill through the wall, you're gonna get one of these and put them in there like so. Just hammer them in a little bit like so. And then you do the same for all the holes that you've drilled in the wall. Like so. Before you put the screws in, you must put these before, because this will secure the screws and keep them tight so the shelf doesn't move over the months and years when it's in there. So now, here's the final one. All we have to do is put the shelf in and screw it in the wall. So what we're going to do, when you find the screws, you just place them in like so before you start drilling. Just like so, so they're a bit secured. And then what you do, you grab the drill and you start screwing them in. Very gently, so you don't break the screw.
first do two of them. So now you have the other hand free to use for the screws. So basically you can stand very steady, grab the other screws, one once. One more.
There is the final result of the shelf that went up on the wall. As you can see, the hinges are securely screwed to the wall, and also, which I didn't show earlier, was this reinforcement that I put there. It's just a little hinge that you get from IKEA for kitchen shelves, usually in the cupboards. So I've just put that in there. I made a hole to this kitchen shelf here, as you can see, and then put a little screw on here to secure it so it doesn't move, and it holds everything up perfectly like so. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for watching.